Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly while others struggle? Today we unravel this mystery. We're diving headfirst into the world of money mindset, a concept that plays a crucial role in our financial lives, yet remains puzzling to many. At the heart of our exploration is Jen Sincero's transformative book, You Are a Badass at Making Money. This isn't just a book about financial advice. It's a journey of mindset shift, a deep dive into how our beliefs about money can either propel us to abundance or hold us back from it. It's about realizing that the power to attract wealth lies not just in our actions, but also in our thoughts. It's an invitation to break free from limiting beliefs and embrace a mindset of abundance and possibility. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets to a prosperous mind? Stay tuned. The first piece of our puzzle is the concept of money mindset. This idea, eloquently put forth in Jen Sincero's book, You Are a Badass at Making Money, is the linchpin to financial success. It's all about the beliefs we hold about money and how these can either propel us forward or hold us back. Imagine carrying a huge boulder while trying to run a marathon. That's what limiting beliefs are like. They weigh us down, making the journey to financial abundance harder than it needs to be. So how can we lighten our load? By cultivating a mindset of abundance and worthiness. This means rewriting our money scripts, discarding the negatives, and replacing them with positive affirmations. It's about truly believing that we are deserving of financial success. And guess what? When we start believing, that's when magic happens. Believe you deserve financial success, and it becomes more likely to manifest. 2. Overcoming obstacles. Let's tackle the roadblocks on your journey to financial success. These obstacles often come dressed as fear, self-doubt, and procrastination. They lurk in the shadows, whispering words of caution and holding you back from stepping into the spotlight of financial abundance. Fear, a sly adversary, can paralyze you with thoughts of failure and loss. But remember, fear is only as powerful as you allow it to be. Self-doubt, on the other hand, undermines your confidence, making you question your worthiness of financial success. But let's debunk this myth right now. You are worthy, and you are capable. And then there's procrastination, the art of delaying action, often a result of fear and self-doubt. But here's a secret. You don't need to be fully confident to take action. Start small, take one step at a time, and gradually you'll build momentum and confidence. Remember, it's about progress over perfection. 3. Action and gratitude. Let's delve into the roles of action and gratitude in attracting wealth. Action is the bridge between dreams and reality. You can imagine the most luxurious life, but without taking steps towards it, it remains just that, a dream. Monetary abundance is no exception to this rule. It's not enough to just want wealth, you have to actively pursue it. Set clear financial goals, make a budget, explore income-generating opportunities. Even the smallest actions matter. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, but don't mistake action for frantic busyness. It's not about doing everything all at once. It's about doing the right things at the right time in the right way. It's about moving forward inch by inch in the direction of your financial dreams. And let's not forget the power of gratitude. It's easy to focus on what we lack, the bills we have to pay, the things we can't afford. But what if we shift that focus to what we already have? What if we cultivate an attitude of thankfulness for the financial blessings, no matter how small, that we already possess? Gratitude is more than just a feel-good emotion. It's a magnet for abundance. When you appreciate what you already have, you open the door for more to come in. It's like a cosmic law. The more grateful you are, the more the universe conspires to give you reasons to be grateful for. So take a moment every day to express gratitude for your financial blessings. Celebrate your financial wins, big or small. Radiate positivity, appreciate your progress, and watch how the universe responds with abundance. Action and gratitude, when combined, create a powerful synergy. They're like two sides of the same coin, each amplifying the power of the other. When you take action towards your financial goals and express gratitude for your progress, you create a magnetic field that attracts wealth and abundance. Even small actions can bring you closer to your financial aspirations, and a thankful heart attracts abundance. 4. Letting go and having fun. Learning to let go can play a big role to your financial abundance. Yes, that's right. Just as a tight-fisted grip can cause fatigue and discomfort, so too can an overly rigid approach to managing your finances. Sometimes, you just need to trust the process. Allow yourself to take healthy risks. Welcome the unexpected twists and turns that life throws your way, because they could be leading you towards new opportunities and greater wealth. Remember, the road to financial success is rarely a straight one. It's full of bends, bumps, and detours. Embrace them. They are all part of your unique journey to abundance. But letting go doesn't mean being careless or reckless. It's about striking the right balance. It's about understanding when to hold on and when to let go. It's about making informed decisions, but also about being open to the element of surprise. Because sometimes, the best path to abundance lies in the unexpected, in the uncharted, in the serendipitous. And then, there's the fun part. Who said making money has to be a drudgery? Who said it has to be all work and no play? Not Jen Sincero, that's for sure. According to her, making and managing money can and should be enjoyable. Find ways to inject fun into the process. Maybe it's exploring investments that excite you, or finding side hustles that align with your passions. Or perhaps it's about celebrating your financial milestones, no matter how small they may seem. Every step you take towards your financial goals is a cause for celebration. So, go ahead and do a little dance, cut a slice of cake, pop a bottle of champagne. You've earned it. In this journey to financial abundance, it's important to find joy in the process. Because when you do, you're not just working towards wealth, you're also enriching your life with positivity, excitement, and fulfillment. Sometimes the best path to abundance lies in serendipity and flexibility. So make money fun. 5. Surroundings and generosity. The people around you and your attitude towards giving can make a big difference in your financial journey. Consider this: we are, in many ways, shaped by our environments. The people we choose to surround ourselves with can influence our habits, our thoughts, and yes, even our financial success. It's like being in a garden. If you plant yourself among the roses, the chances are high that you'll bloom just as beautifully. So why not choose to surround yourself with financial roses? These are individuals who've achieved financial success, who understand the ins and outs of money. They're not just thriving, they're generous with their wisdom, ready to share their experiences, their mistakes, and their triumphs. By connecting with these financially successful individuals, you open yourself up to a wealth of knowledge, inspiration, and motivation. But it's not just about taking, it's about giving too. And that brings us to the second part of our conversation: generosity. Generosity is like a boomerang. What you throw out into the world has a way of coming back to you, often in ways you least expect. When it comes to your finances, being generous can take many forms. It might mean sharing your newfound financial knowledge with others, helping them navigate their own path to financial well-being. It could be supporting others in their journey to abundance, offering a helping hand or a word of encouragement when they need it most. Or it could be giving back to causes that hold a special place in your heart, using your financial success to make a difference in the world. When you give, you're not just helping others, you're also helping yourself. Generosity can enrich your life in countless ways, from the joy of making a difference to the satisfaction of seeing others succeed. And who knows, your generosity might just open unexpected doors to even greater financial success. Generosity, like abundance, is a mindset. It's about recognizing that there's enough to go around, that by helping others, we're not depleting our own resources. Instead, we're creating a cycle of abundance that benefits everyone involved. Generosity has a ripple effect. Share your financial knowledge, support others, and watch how it comes back to you. 6. Embrace your inner badass. The heart of Jen Sincero's book is all about empowerment. It's about taking control of your financial destiny, not as a passive participant, but as the mastermind behind it all. You are not just a leaf in the wind, but the wind itself, directing your life towards the treasures you seek. It's about recognizing that you're not just good enough, but you're a downright badass. You have the power to achieve incredible things. The potential within you is a roaring, unstoppable force that can propel you to heights you've only dreamed of. This isn't just about having confidence, it's about owning your worth, your value, and your right to financial success. It's about kicking self-doubt to the curb and striding forward with a swagger of self-belief. Remember, you are the architect of your own abundance. Own your badassery and never settle for anything less than financial abundance. 7. Persistence is key. This is the cornerstone of your journey to financial abundance. Just like Rome wasn't built in a day, your wealth won't accumulate overnight. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Building wealth requires consistent effort, a steady pace, and a firm belief in your financial goals. It's about taking that first step, and then the next, without losing sight of your destination. And remember, setbacks are not roadblocks. They're detours, lessons, opportunities for growth. Celebrate the small victories. Every dollar saved, every investment made, every financial milestone reached is a testament to your persistence. The journey to financial abundance is not a straight line. It's a winding path, strewn with challenges and triumphs alike. And most importantly, be patient with yourself. Change takes time and success is often slow-cooked. So keep going, keep growing, and keep believing in your financial badassery. Remember, even the biggest mountains are climbed one step at a time. The puzzle is complete. You now hold the keys to cultivating a prosperous mind. We've journeyed through the transformative lessons of Jen Sincero's "You Are a Badass at Making Money." We've explored the power of a positive money mindset, the importance of overcoming personal obstacles, and the profound impact of action and gratitude. We've delved into the freedom of letting go, the joy of financial fun, and the ripple effect of surrounding yourself with abundance and generosity. We've embraced our inner badass and recognized the value of patience and persistence on the road to financial success. Each piece of this puzzle is an integral part of your journey to abundance. Each lesson is a stepping stone to the financial life you truly desire. Your journey doesn't stop here. In fact, it's just getting started. Now that you've got the tools and the mindset, it's time to put them into action. But remember, you're not alone in this journey. Share your experiences, your challenges, and your victories. Use the comment section below to engage with our community. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it. Let's spread the wealth of knowledge. And finally, if you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.